A top round steak was exactly 2 pounds. Cut it in 8 pieces. This is what we're supposed to have for a serving. I'm not sure that's possible when this comes out of the oven. I'm going to dredge it in flour and fry it in extra light tasting olive oil for high heat cooking. I'll only fry it long enough to brown it. We don't want to cook it. The meat is browned and set aside. There's plenty of oil in the pan to saute a chopped onion, 8 ounces of mushrooms, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. We're not going to wash that skillet yet. Then we've got our liquid. Bottled water, 2 cups, 3 packages of Herbox sodium-free beef bouillon, bell pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, thyme, a can of petite diced, no sodium added tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste. This good liquid is going to go in that frying pan. I'm going to stir it for 3 or 4 minutes and do a taste test. A little more oregano, pepper, or bouillon. This is the time to add it. Get that hot, stir it. In the liquid was a chopped up bell pepper and 1 stalk of celery, chopped up. When I tasted it, it wasn't exactly right. I forgot to put in the liquid smoke. Doesn't take much. 1/4 teaspoon will do it. My pan has been sprayed. The onion mixture goes in. The meat goes in. Mix it up a little bit. Put the top on it. Cook it in the middle of the oven at 325 degrees until that meat is fork tender. Now we can wash the frying pan. 2.5 hours. 2 pounds of fork tender meat. The whole pan has got 676 milligrams of sodium. 1/8 of the pan has 85. I like the sauce just a little bit thicker. Sometimes there's enough flour from the meat that I don't have to thicken it. But today, I did. Took a little bowl and put 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of flour, and stirred it until it was smooth. Dipped out some of the hot sauce, maybe 3 little ladles full. Mixed that in and then poured it back in and stirred. I uncovered it and baked it for 15 more minutes. It's thick and beautiful. It freezes great. We just need to add some of the sauce to the bag. It's a beautiful dinner. Baked potato, green salad, vegetable, very low sodium. We are getting ready to eat. And it just dawned on me, I didn't show you our finished product. Our gravy is nice and thick. The meat's cooked. It's looking good. Real pretty dish.